walked in the tax office the day later on the Friday, and I set up a window cleaning company. Over time, that developed into a property cleaning company. I was only doing like 2 days a week out of interests, doing some volunteer work outside of window cleaning in my early years. Eventually got married, needed to earn the extra money, and I started bolting on, as you can see, these services. So I was doing not just window cleaning, but actually window cleaning became my lowest priority service because that was my lowest profit margin service. So when people read that latest sign writing that I had, the first service that I said I was offering at that stage was solar panel cleaning, because that quickly became my most profitable service that I was offering. So decking of the wood boards that we pressure wash and we oil, all the driveways, so we were doing tarmac cleaning, we were resealing tarmac. I don't know if you get the imprint concrete drives over here, but we were doing imprint concrete drives, recolouring and resealing those, and then gutter cleaning. And window cleaning began to get edged out of the sideline. So I imagine this is where the majority of the room is right now, okay? You've got a window cleaning company, or you've got a property cleaning company, and you're looking to bolt on to your existing business solar panel cleaning, okay? So that was me. I'm one of you people, I'm not the data guy, okay? I'm used to being out in the field, I'm used to being on a roof, I'm used to having a pole in my hand, so I'm literally like one of you guys.